Welcome student in this video. Today we are going to learn very interesting chapter, that is integers. In this chapter we will learn about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, showing integers on the number line, addition of integers, opposite numbers, comparing integers, subtraction of integers. Our first point is natural numbers. Natural number means a set of numbers which will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 infinitely. That called as natural numbers or a counting numbers. Student, natural numbers we can use for counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. In natural numbers, all numbers are positive. The next point is whole numbers. Whole numbers means a set of natural numbers which is included 0, that numbers called as whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 infinitely. In whole numbers, all numbers are positive exception 0. Student, in whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these kinds of number are positive, but 0 is not a positive number or a negative number. The difference between whole number and natural number is natural number there have not included 0, but the whole number there have add 0. Now next point is integers. Student, observe the figure. There in the first circle, natural numbers. In natural numbers, their numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in whole number add 0. So natural numbers include in whole numbers and then integers. We had learned about natural numbers and whole numbers. In natural number or whole numbers, there have all the numbers are positive, but in integers they are not only positive but also negative numbers have included. So that means integers, positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers, that call as integers. Most important thing, 0 is a neither positive number or a negative number. 0 does not have any sign. Student, for positive numbers we use the plus sign, and for the negative numbers we use minus sign. In positive numbers there are not necessary to use positive sign, but for negative numbers there are always use negative sign. Now next point, number line. The point on number line which is marked O is called the origin. On the left and right of O, points are marked at equal distance. The numbers shown by points on the right are positive numbers and those shown by point on the left are negative numbers. Student, now observe the number line. All the positive numbers and all the negative numbers has been start from the 0, means origin. At the right side all there are positive numbers and the left side all there are negative numbers, and these all numbers have a similar distance from the origin. Now the next point is addition of integers. Firstly, we learn about the rules of addition of integers. First rule is, if both numbers are positive, then add both numbers and sum is positive. Now observe this example. Here, first number is positive 25, then plus into bracket positive 20. Here both numbers are positive, so 25 and 20. So both numbers sum is positive 45. Then check another example. Here positive 21 and plus positive 23. Both numbers sum is 44. In the first example, there is given positive sign. But the second example, there have not given the positive sign. But there is not necessary to show the sign of positive. Without sign, we understood both the numbers are to be positive. So let's learn next rules of addition of integers. If both numbers are negative, then add both numbers and sum is negative. Look in the first example. Here, negative 25 plus into bracket negative 20. Both numbers are negative. Then add both the numbers 25 and 20. So sum of both numbers is 45. But both numbers are negative, so give the negative sign to the sum. Now check another example. Negative 21 plus into bracket negative 23. Negative 21 and negative 23. The sum of both numbers is 44. Both numbers are negative, so the sum is negative 44. Now the third rule of addition of integer, if one number negative and one number positive, then ignore the sign of both numbers and subtract smaller number from bigger number and give sign bigger number to the sum. Now observe the both example. Here 50 is a positive number, then plus into bracket 20 is negative number. So one number is positive and one number is negative. Then smaller number is subtract from bigger number. So 50 minus 20 is 30. And this example, bigger number is 50 and bigger number is positive number. Then the sum is positive. Now check another example. Negative 65 plus 31. In that example, first number is negative and second number is positive. Then subtract. The 31 is a smaller number. Then subtract 31 from the 65, that is 34. But in both number, 65 is bigger number and number 65 have negative sign. Then sum is also negative 34. Now next point is opposite number. Opposite numbers means same number but they have opposite sign. For example, here negative 50 and here positive 50. Both number have different sign. Number is same but sign have different. Then also value have different. So negative 50 opposite number is positive 50. Now take another example. Positive 140 is the opposite number of negative 140. The sum of two opposite numbers is always 0. For example, here positive 500 and plus here negative 500. So both numbers have opposite numbers. Here positive 500 and here negative 500. In the addition of integer, if both numbers are opposite, then subtract to each other. Then 500 minus 500, the sum is 0. The answer is 0. Now the next point is comparison of integer. So all positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. Let's check out. Here the first example. Here 45 and here negative 56. So positive number 45 is always bigger than the negative numbers. Now check the second example. Here positive 1 and here negative 65. 65 figure is looking bigger, but that is a negative sign. So the one number is bigger than the 65. Here negative 100 and positive 100. So positive 100 is bigger than the negative 100. Always 0 is greater than the negative numbers. Student, here 0 and here negative 15. In that example, 0 is greater than the negative 15 because we learned the rule always 0 is greater than negative numbers. Now check next example, negative 150 and 0. So here also 0 is greater than the negative 150. Next example, 0 and negative 155. In that example, 0 is greater than the negative 155. Next point is subtraction of integers. So firstly we learn rules of subtraction of integers. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. For example, look here student, first number is 8 and minus negative 6. So the follow rules to subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. So first number is 8 and add opposite numbers. Means here negative 6. So negative 6 opposite number is positive 6. So both number add. So 8 plus 6 means 14. Now let's learn how to subtract of integers by another method. In subtraction of integers, write first number in second steps as it is, then subtract sign convert into positive sign and the number write in opposite. After that, follow the rules of addition of integers. For example, student, here example, negative 85 minus into bracket positive 45. So in next step, write first number as it is equal to negative 85. Then minus sign convert into positive sign and then positive 45 is convert into opposite number, that is a negative 45. So after that follow the rules of addition of integers. Means both number are negative, so that means add both the numbers. The sum of both number is 130 and both number sign is minus. So give the minus sign to the sum. Let's check another example. 130 minus 45. Here both the numbers are positive. Then write first number as it is, 130, 130. Then minus sign is convert into positive sign, and the positive number is convert into negative number. Now follow the rules of addition of integers. One number is positive and one number is negative. Then subtract smaller number from the bigger number. That is a 85. And 85 is a positive number because 130 is a positive number. Let's check another example. Negative 500 minus negative 120. First number negative 500 write as it is. Then convert negative sign into positive sign. Then negative 120 is converted into positive 120. So one number is negative and one number is positive. That means smaller number is subtract from the bigger number. And the answer is 380. And sign is given there minus. Why? Because the bigger number is 500 and 500 is a negative number. So sum is also negative.